Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna discuss building a brand, okay? Because I feel like a lot of people need to talk about. A lot of people need to have the insight on this topic because there's a lot of entrepreneurs who don't even know they're entrepreneurs. There's a lot of famous people that don't even know that they can be famous people. So I'm about to just open you guys' eyes to how come anyone could be an entrepreneur and what it takes with branding. See, what a lot of people don't want to tell you is that you are a special individual, okay? You are a special individual. People don't want you to be able to activate your full potential, okay? You can have anything and be anything that you want in this world, right? Anything, right? All you have to do is believe in yourself, stay focused, and consistently work at your career, and you can accomplish it, right? You can have diamonds and rubies and yellow canaries and all that stuff. It's basically promised to anyone who's willing to do the work to get there, okay? Now, one thing you got to realize with branding yourself is that it's all up to you how far your company makes it, or your business, or whatever it is you're into, right? Well, just this is just basic entrepreneur talk that we're having. We're having a basic entrepreneur discussion right now, right? About branding. When it comes to branding, you need to do a lot of internet marketing, okay? You can never, ever, ever tell me that you have enough of paid advertisement. No, you don't, okay? And when it comes down to branding also, you have to consistently work social media, okay? It can be one platform that you work, okay? But you consistently make sure that you consistently brand yourself on that platform. Well, Joseph, then what do you mean by brand myself consistently on that platform, right? What I mean by brand yourself consistently on that platform is make sure that you're known. Post enough posts on any blog, no matter what it may be, or forum or platform. Post yourself, just consistently post. Never start posting. You must be seen, okay? The main step to branding is you must be seen, okay? And a lot of people don't want to tell you this. Like, how did I become famous and blow up, right? It's because I used all my lines of communication. Okay, I was already friends with three other major celebrities, and then I had like two upcoming celebrities. They're major celebrities now, but I knew them before they even blew up. So basically, I had like five celebrity friends that gave me pointers and stuff. But I'm giving you guys the pointers. The main step with branding yourself is the publicity. So you must be seen, right? Another thing people don't want to tell you and discuss about it when it comes to branding, you have to have discipline. You have to. I mean, be patient, okay? Be very, very patient and have that patience, have that discipline to know that in a year or two, or maybe in a week or two from now, that you're going to be in a higher spot in your life. You know what I mean? Like, I've helped plenty of people brand themselves, and the people that I've helped brand themselves, they all have became famous, okay? And they still act normal. They're not out here trying to be someone that they're not, but they have a great work drive. It's just, see, when it comes down to branding yourself, you gotta go off your passion. Whatever your passion or talent is, okay, accept that as that being your passion, and then brand it. Brand it off your name, off yourself, or whatever tweaks that you have to put into whatever it is that you're making and that you're branding. Make sure that you add your little special tweaks into it, because that's what's going to make it special, and that's what branding is all about, accepting your talents. When you realize that you have a talent, no matter what it may be, okay, accept that as your talent and then brand it. Make it the best way it can be, even if you want to do jeans, right? If you want to be a designer, right? And you're like, okay, well, everybody else jeans, they're real baggy. Well, when you brand your jeans that you make them tight in the waist. You know what I mean? Put your own little effect and your own twist in it, but always keep your focus and your energy focused on positivity and knowing that everything that you think about when you eat, sleep, and go to bed, it needs to be about your brand. It has to be about your passion. And don't let no one else tell you what your passion is, okay? Your passion is for you to determine what your passion is. And whenever you figure out and decide what your passion is, then that's your brand. That's your company. Work on your entrepreneurship. Once you know what your talent is, then it's time to become an entrepreneur. And now, when becoming an entrepreneur and dealing with branding, that's all you can focus on. Like, you don't have time for distractions. You have to be around positive energy. You have to be around all the people that are clapping for you and rooting for you. You have to surround yourself around people who love your brand. You have to surround yourself around people who love your ideas, and people that just want to see you make it. People that just love you. When it comes to branding, surround yourself around a great atmosphere that wants to see you glow and that wants to see your brand, and promote your brand. Put the work in for your brand. Don't blame anyone else. Your brand is your responsibility. Okay? It's just like when you want to get up and look sexy in the morning, you put the work in to look sexy in the morning, right? And to look good, right? It's the same thing with your brand. This is how you make money. All the money that you need to make is going to come off of your brand, okay? It's going to bring in millions and millions of dollars. Listen to what I'm telling you. Your brand is going to bring in millions and millions of dollars, right? But you have to dress it up sexy so that it sells and that it does what it's supposed to do. I'm sorry, you guys. I did just get my hair did, so y'all see. Y'all see it's still like in the love knots and stuff like that. Yeah, the honeycomb knots and love twists and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Those knots will fall down in a minute. After a while, they will. Looking good takes time, but it gets there. Okay, look. Back to you guys with this branding, right? We really have like one of the most greatest opportunities ever to make money, okay? Because not only can you brand your own idea and your own creation and your own image, it's your creative visualization that you're branding, okay? Because you created this idea, right? But we also have the opportunity to promote our branding. You got to reach out. When you create a brand, reach out to other brands, reach out to other YouTubers, reach out to other people who are in the field that you are in, like let people know what's going on. Let us know what you're trying to get involved in, and maybe we can help you. And if we can help you with your brand, of course we're going to help you. You know what I mean? And if I can't help you, someone else will help you. Like when branding, you got to understand that you're an entrepreneur, right? Because you're following your passion and you opened up your company, right? So now with branding, what you have to understand is that you're not alone. There's other entrepreneurs that have been where you've been at, and we just want to see you get to that next level. Now, if that's where you're at when it comes down to your branding, if that's the point that you're at in life with branding, okay, just know this. There's always someone out there that's willing to help you. And when you get help when dealing with your brand from other people, it increases your finances because you're making the company better and better and better. So we're willing, consumers, we're willing to pay more money for a company that is evolving and becoming better and better versus a company that isn't. You see what I'm saying? So branding, when it comes to branding, don't take everybody ideas, like take consideration or whatever from take all the ideas from the customers, okay? From the customers, okay? You always take all of their advice, right? But people that's like negative energy and all that, don't take none of their ideas. You keep putting your own spin to your own brand. You hear me? Accept yourself, accept all of your talents, accept it and put it into your brand. All of your creations that come, when you visualize that great creation that comes, whether if you got to meditate to visualize it, but whenever that creation comes from you having that visualization, put that visualization into your brand. Okay, because that brand signifies you. And keep updating your brand like people do with computers. You keep updating your brand. You keep making enhancements. You make it better and better. Whenever you think your brand is good and it's the greatest, tell yourself, you know what? I want to make it 10 times better than this. Stay motivated on your brand, okay? Don't rush it. Be patient. Your brand is going to bring you all the finances. Work your Facebook, work your Twitter account, work Pinterest, work YouTube, work Google, work every site that you can work to get the most exposure to your brand as possible. And you're going to succeed. I promise you're going to succeed. You got any questions, drop it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button, and definitely don't forget to share this video because we all need this insight. And thank you guys for returning to my channel. I love you guys.